Hey everyone, welcome back to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Arc browser on Windows 11 PC. Arc is a modern, fast and beautiful design web browser that give you another feel when you browsing or surfing internet. So it has a sleek sidebar and a refreshing take on how we browse the web. So this is the very popular browser. This browser become very popular day by day. So in this tutorial I will show you how to install and how to run on Windows 11 PC. So I open my browser and then I type our browser and hit enter. This is the official website of our browser. So I open it and I click on download Arc for Windows. So download is completed. I minimize my browser and double click on setup file. It is Chromium based browser. When you use it, you feel like Chrome vibe. So this is a very feel and beautiful web browser. This is the first look of Arc browser. So I will step by step set up on Windows 11 PC. It welcome me and I click on this arrow button. It asked me to create a Arc account, but I really try to skip this. So I close this and double click on this icon. So it asked me to sign in on this account. So I have no account. So I create an account and I accept the agreement and click on create account. So account is created. It asked me to import data from other browser. I skip this. So I want to type all password again and click on next, and I enable ArcMax for fast move with Arc AI. So I don't want to Arc as a default browser, so I chose no option and click on next and click on get started. So this is the Arc browser. So this is the address bar. I type google.com and hit enter. So this is very feeling good and this sidebar is very useful for browsing experience. So that was my video. In this video I will show you how to install Arc browser on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.